Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. In the last few sessions, we have placed our doors, our windows and our exhaust in the 3D model of house. So let's access the file which was saved in the last lecture, lecture number 12. First, we will learn a very quick command, that is match properties. So if we want our window and exhaust to look similar, we can use the match property command. So write match prop. Here we go. Now we have to select the source, say this gray part, and then we have to select the destination like this. Hit enter, and then using the space bar we can use the command again. Now we can select the glass and then these louvers. After all the louvers are selected, we can press enter key or space bar to complete the command. Now it's all done. Now it's time to create a slab or the base for the entrance. So we are going to use the same old rectangle command, go all the way to this point, and now we will use the offset command. It is the most useful command in modeling. Select this line and say 9 inches would do fine, and again we can use 5. Now we can move them to either sides, otherwise we have to move them after we have created the 3D. So let's do this side in 2D, and after creation we can move the other side in 3D. So you learn both concepts. We will move this side in 3D. First we use the press pull, move all the way up to the 9 inches, then the second one to 6 inches, and the last one to 3 inches. Now this is the side which I was talking about. We can simply select it and then move it. This view fins move, select, and here we go. Similarly move, select, and here we go. Now we have created the entrance slab and we have learned how we can use the match properties. Now we can save the file as lecture number 13 because we were doing all of these changes in lecture number 12 file. Let's close it and view if we have the file here, and here we go. We have this file, so we can select and save it in a specific directory because we are going to start with the same file in next session. Let's call it a day. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.